Easy. Learn to listen to your gut feelings. Learn to listen to your gut feelings. Whenever you gut feelings, you go easy. Do not do it. Do not do it. Okay, so there was this other time, ne? It was around 9 p.m. Mungu December, Saturday. So minglambile ene landing megune parts. So I decided to go to the nearest plaza, and mind you guys, I was going alone. The other thing on me, be like, okay, take one of your friend. And I was like, no, they're still having fun, and I am the sober one, so I'm gonna be in trouble. Cause yabazi msibanjani vele umuntu nje angadawa nihamba nima nje umuntu ufuna ukuchama. So okay, ngithatha imoto ngiphume. Guys, okay, ngithathe imoto ngiphume. Before ngizofika kude ne, ngisimarobotoni figure this lady. Uyakokota uthi, please help me, I'm in pain. I need to go to hospital. Okay, other thing be like, Vivian, yazi proclamation is not safe. Kubeka ngendlela uhambe because Philip Nel gugude and ikwaphela mebavalile u9. You're like the nearest plaza. But then I had to go to Philip Nel. So iti no, Vivi, do not open the car, just drive away. It's about and you be like, okay, like Vivi lo munye no man, it's a lady and she's pregnant, she needs help. Ngivula imoto. Okay, angene vele ahlalela athi kimi, please uyangicela ngisheshise, like she is in pain. Then she started screaming. Okay, ungimi ngifonele ikhazi yami ngithi, hey khazi, ngihapha lo muntu lo la ekalafoni, like ngiyabuya manje umzala athi umuntu ekalafoni. Ngithi ya ngihlangana this pregnant lady athi angibuthi, why would I give a stranger a lift? Hi bo guys, he's stranger but she is pregnant. So I sahambe sine lady vele like Miss Coca, just fine conversation asesekumapeni umuntu ushapha usecoca. Inkinga ibe makusifika like not far from Kalafong. I think maybe 3 minutes to which is Kalafong. O lady ankomise like emaroboteni athi yabona lapha yapha, like yeah, wenzakala lapha athi that's where I died mina nomntanami. Ngimbheke ngithi ye uthini wena mfazi? Athi yaphela there was an accident lapha, and by that, oh shit guys,